Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Pop Socket Fidget is probably one of the most versatile and engaging accessories to hit the market, seamlessly blending the convenience of a phone grip with the satisfying tactile experience of a fidget toy, making it an indispensable tool for anyone looking to enhance their phone usage while simultaneously managing stress or simply seeking a moment of playful distraction throughout their day. Number 5. Rainbow Clouds Pop Shoulder Purse. Introducing a stylish and fun accessory designed for both fashion and fidgeting. It's the perfect blend of a trendy purse and a sensory toy. Feeling stressed or anxious? This bag offers a discreet way to find calm. Simply pop the bubbles for instant sensory relief. Designed with everyone in mind, this accessory is ideal for girls and women alike. It's a versatile addition to any outfit. Stand out with its eye-catching rainbow clouds design. It's not just a toy, it's a fashion statement that brings a pop of color. Take it anywhere you go. This compact bag is perfect for daily use, travel, or just keeping your essentials organized while providing on-the-go fidget fun. More than just a purse, it's a sensory backpack toy. It's great for individuals with ADHD or anyone who enjoys tactile stimulation. What we like? This is a stylish accessory that doubles as a sensory tool. If you're looking for a way to discreetly manage anxiety or stress while staying fashionable, this is a great choice. Its compact size makes it perfect for everyday use. What people say. The Pop Socket Fidget is a great addition to my phone, providing a fun and engaging way to fidget without being distracting. I love how the Pop Socket Fidget integrates seamlessly with my phone's existing Pop Socket, offering both functionality and entertainment. The design of the Pop Socket Fidget is clever and unobtrusive, allowing me to discreetly play with it whenever I need a moment of distraction. Number 4. 3D Printed Fidget Toys, Impossible Cone and Spiral Cone. Introducing a pack of 3 unique 3D printed fidget toys designed for both kids and adults. Experience the magic of the Impossible Cone and Spiral Cone. Crafted with high-quality, durable, and eco-friendly materials, these toys are built for longevity. Advanced 3D printing ensures intricate details and a smooth, satisfying finish. Discover a creative and fun design that pushes and pulls in both directions. Prepare to be captivated by the stunning visual effects it creates. This unique piece offers versatile display options. Showcase it in 2 separate parts or together, adding a touch of magic to any space. Perfectly small and easy to carry, it fits discreetly in your pocket, purse, or desk. It's your go-to stress reliever whenever you need a moment of calm. Looking for a unique and thoughtful present? This makes an ideal gift for yourself or a loved one, suitable for any occasion, from holidays to everyday surprises. What we like? Experience intricate details and stunning visual effects with these 3D printed wonders. If you appreciate creative design and need a discreet stress reliever for your desk or pocket, these are ideal. They offer a unique tactile and visual experience. What people say. The Pop Socket Fidget has a satisfying click and spin action that provides a tactile experience. It attaches securely to the back of a phone, offering both a grip and a fidget toy in one. The design is discreet and doesn't add significant bulk to the phone. Number 3. 12 PCS Animal Pop Suction Fidgets Toys. Introducing our 12-piece set of animal suction pop fidget toys. These combine bubble-popping fun with suction cup action, featuring 12 different adorable animal shapes in vibrant colors. Keep your little ones entertained on the go with these compact and lightweight toys. They easily stick to smooth surfaces, making them ideal for airplane trays, car windows, and restaurant tables for quiet, mess-free play. Make bath time more engaging with these cute animal designs. Their strong suction cups stick securely to bathtub walls and shower tiles, perfect for water play and exploration. Crafted from child-safe, high-quality silicone, these toys offer a smooth and soft texture for comfortable play. Each comes with a detachable keychain for added portability. Pressing the bubbles provides a satisfying popping sound for a calming sensory experience. They are perfect for easing tension and keeping little hands engaged with simple, enjoyable play. These delightful toys make wonderful gifts for any occasion. They are perfect for party favors, goodie bags, birthdays, and holiday surprises, bringing joy to toddlers and babies alike. What we like? These adorable animal-shaped toys offer a unique suction cup feature for endless fun. If you need engaging travel or bath toys that stick to surfaces and provide satisfying pops, these are perfect for toddlers. They keep little hands busy and entertained anywhere. What people say. The Pop Socket Fidget is a great addition to my phone, providing a secure grip and a fun fidgeting experience. I love how the Pop Socket Fidget can be easily attached and detached from my phone, making it versatile for different uses. The design of the Pop Socket Fidget is sleek and unobtrusive, adding functionality without compromising the phone's aesthetics. Number 2. 4PCS Sports Push Bubble Pop Fidget Sensory Toy Set. Introducing a set of 4 engaging fidget toys designed in popular sports shapes. Made from high-quality, safe silicone, they offer a smooth and skin-friendly experience. This sensory toy set includes a football, basketball, baseball, and rugby. They are perfect for relieving stress and anxiety, providing mental comfort and emotional release. Enjoy a fun game where players take turns pressing bubbles, with the last player to press losing. It's a great way for everyone to spend happy, stress-relieving time together. These toys are small and easy to carry, allowing you to play wherever you go. Simply rinse with water for easy cleaning and repeated use. Beyond fun, these toys help attract attention, calm the mind, and aid in developing thinking and logic skills. They are also great for fostering family interaction. Looking for a gift? This set makes a wonderful present for friends and family members, offering a fun and therapeutic experience for all. What we like? Get your game on with these sports-themed pop fidgets. If you're looking for a fun, interactive way to relieve stress and engage in friendly competition, these are a fantastic option. They're great for family time and can be played anywhere. What people say. The Pop Socket Fidget is a great addition to my phone, providing a satisfying tactile experience. The fidget feature is well integrated into the Pop Socket design, making it easy to use discreetly. It adds a fun and engaging element to my phone without being bulky or intrusive. Number 1. Sprockyt Rose Donut Cell Phone Stand. Introducing the Sprockyt Rose Donut Cell Phone Stand. This adorable accessory is designed to hold your phone securely and stylishly. Perfect for your desk or nightstand. Its charming donut design adds a touch of fun to your space. More than just cute, it provides a stable base for hands-free viewing. This stand is compatible with most smartphones and small tablets. Simply place your device on it for easy access. Enjoy comfortable viewing angles for watching videos, video calls, or browsing. It helps you maintain a good posture. Crafted from durable materials, it ensures long-lasting use. The non-slip base keeps it firmly in place. Looking for a unique gift? This phone stand is a delightful present for friends and family. It's both practical and eye-catching. What we like? This product combines practical phone support with a fun, eye-catching design. If you need a secure grip for your phone and a convenient stand for hands-free viewing, this is the perfect accessory. Its unique look makes it a great conversation starter. What people say. The Pop Socket Fidget is a great addition to my phone, providing a fun and engaging way to fidget without being distracting. The design is sleek and unobtrusive, and it easily attaches to the back of my phone. I love how the Pop Socket Fidget can be used as a phone stand. It's perfect for watching videos or video calls, and it holds my phone securely at a comfortable viewing angle. The fidget feature is also very satisfying, with a smooth and quiet mechanism. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.